Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I will give you some tutorial how to use WhatsApp on your PC. Okay, using WhatsApp on your PC is called WhatsApp web. Don't use it. You will need WhatsApp on your phone as well. Okay, first step, you can open your laptop or PC and you open your browser. You can open with Opera or Chrome or Firefox and blah blah blah, and you click WhatsApp web. Okay, you can wait. Yes, you can click WhatsApp web on your browser, and you can wait until QR code. Okay. Yes, this is QR code. Okay, next you can open your phone. Open your phone and you open your apps WhatsApp and your phone. Okay, open the chat screen and select menu and then WhatsApp web. Click WhatsApp web. Okay, it's a recorded QR and scan on your PC. Yes, this is scan. Okay, you can wait. Yes, this is finally WhatsApp will be open in your computer browser, and you will be able to ask it to send messenger as you work on your phone. When you have finished your session, remember to log out. Click on the three dot menu above the chat list on the left hand side on the screen your PC. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, thank you and see you.